The Tuscan Voyage. Chapter 4. Tuscan Cuisine and Traditions Cooking with Local Ingredients. In Tuscany, cooking is an art form that has been passed down from generation to generation. The region's cuisine is renowned for its simplicity, its use of fresh, local ingredients, and its ability to transform ordinary meals into extraordinary culinary experiences. At the heart of Tuscan cooking is the use of local ingredients. The region's fertile soil and temperate climate produce an abundance of fruits, vegetables, herbs, and grains. From the plump tomatoes and juicy olives of the Val d'Orcia to the succulent seafood of the Tyrrhenian coast, Tuscany's larder is overflowing with culinary treasures. One of the most iconic Tuscan dishes is pasta al pomodoro, a simple yet delicious combination of fresh tomatoes, basil, garlic, and olive oil. Another classic is ribollita, a hearty soup made with leftover vegetables, beans, and bread. And no Tuscan meal would be complete without a glass of the region's world-famous wine, such as Chianti or Brunello di Montalcino. Cooking with local ingredients is not only a delicious way to experience Tuscany, but it is also a sustainable one. By supporting local farmers and producers, you are helping to preserve the region's traditional agricultural practices and protect its natural environment. Here are some tips for cooking with local ingredients in Tuscany. Visit local markets and farm shops to find the freshest and most flavorful produce. Ask local farmers and producers about their products and how they are grown or raised. Experiment with different local ingredients to create your own unique dishes. Cook seasonally to ensure that you are using the best ingredients at their peak. Enjoy your meals with friends and family and share the joy of Tuscan cuisine. Cooking with local ingredients is a wonderful way to connect with the culture and traditions of Tuscany. By embracing the region's culinary heritage, you can create delicious meals that will transport you to the heart of this beautiful region. Chapter 4. Tuscan Cuisine and Traditions Attending Food Festivals. Few things capture the spirit of Tuscany's culinary culture like its vibrant food festivals. These events, held throughout the region throughout the year, offer a delectable journey through Tuscany's rich gastronomic heritage. From the renowned Truffle Festival in San Miniato to the Cheese Festival in Pinza, from the Olive Oil Festival in Lucca to the Wine Festival in Montalcino, there's a food festival to suit every palate. Each festival showcases the region's finest products, offering visitors the chance to sample a wide variety of local delicacies. At these festivals, you'll find stalls selling everything from fresh produce to artisanal cheeses, cured meats, and handmade pasta. You can also sample local wines, olive oils, and other Tuscan specialties. And of course, no food festival would be complete without live music, dancing, and other entertainment. Attending a food festival is a great way to experience the passion that Tuscans have for their food. It's a chance to learn about the region's culinary traditions, meet local producers, and savor the flavors that have made Tuscan cuisine famous around the world. Here are some of the most popular food festivals in Tuscany. Truffle Festival in San Miniato. Held in November, this festival celebrates the prized white truffles of San Miniato. Visitors can enjoy truffle-infused dishes, truffle hunting demonstrations, and even truffle-themed cooking classes. Cheese Festival in Pinza. Taking place in September, this festival showcases the region's renowned pecorino cheese. Visitors can sample different types of pecorino, as well as other local cheeses, such as ricotta and cassata. Olive Oil Festival in Lucca. Held in October, this festival celebrates the region's extra virgin olive oil. Visitors can sample different varieties of olive oil, learn about the production process, and enjoy olive oil-based dishes. Wine Festival in Montalcino. Held in February, this festival celebrates the region's famous Brunello di Montalcino wine. Visitors can sample different vintages of Brunello as well as other Tuscan wines and enjoy wine-paired dinners. Whether you're a foodie or simply looking for a fun and festive way to experience Tuscany, attending a food festival is a must-do. So come hungry and prepared to indulge in the delicious flavors of Tuscany. Chapter 4: Tuscan Cuisine and Traditions, learning about winemaking. Delving into the world of Tuscan wine, a journey of flavors and traditions. Winemaking in Tuscany is an ancient art form passed down through generations of passionate winemakers who have dedicated their lives to crafting exceptional wines that reflect the unique terroir of the region. From the rolling hills of Chianti to the sun-kissed vineyards of Montalcino, Tuscany is home to a diverse range of grapes and microclimates, each contributing to the distinctive character of its wines. In this chapter, we embark on a journey to discover the secrets of Tuscan winemaking, exploring the vineyards, cellars, and traditions that have shaped this region's reputation as one of the world's premier wine-producing areas. We will learn about the different grape varieties used in Tuscany, the various winemaking techniques employed, and the factors that influence the final product. We will visit some of Tuscany's most renowned wineries, where we will meet the winemakers who have dedicated their lives to creating exceptional wines. We will learn about their passion for the land, their respect for tradition, and their innovative approaches to winemaking. We will also explore the unique challenges that Tuscan winemakers face, from unpredictable weather conditions to changing consumer preferences. But our exploration of Tuscan winemaking goes beyond the technical aspects. We will also delve into the cultural significance of wine in Tuscany, where it is deeply intertwined with the region's history, traditions, and cuisine. We will learn about the role of wine in Tuscan festivals and celebrations, and we will explore the ways in which wine has shaped the local culture and identity. Whether you are a seasoned wine connoisseur or simply someone who enjoys a glass of good wine with friends, this chapter will take you on a journey through the world of Tuscan winemaking, offering you a deeper understanding of the region's liquid treasure and the people who create it. Chapter 4: Tuscan Cuisine and Traditions, celebrating holidays. As we settled into our new life in Tuscany, we were eager to experience the region's vibrant culture and traditions. One of the most exciting aspects of this was the opportunity to celebrate the many holidays that dot the Tuscan calendar. From the grand religious festivals to the humble local gatherings, each holiday was a chance to immerse ourselves in the Tuscan way of life and to connect with the community. We eagerly participated in the preparations, helping to decorate the streets, cook traditional dishes, and organize events. One of our favorite holidays was Festa della Primavera, the Spring Festival. Held in March or April, this festival celebrates the arrival of spring and the renewal of life. The streets were adorned with colorful flowers, and the air was filled with music and laughter. We joined the locals in parades, danced traditional dances, and feasted on delicious food. Another highlight was Festa del Vino, the wine festival. Held in September or October, this festival celebrates the region's rich winemaking tradition. We visited vineyards, sampled local wines, and learned about the winemaking process. We also attended wine tastings and enjoyed lively parties in the vineyards. But it wasn't just the big festivals that we enjoyed. We also delighted in the smaller, more intimate celebrations that took place throughout the year. We attended village fairs, where we could buy local crafts and produce. We participated in cooking classes where we learned to prepare traditional Tuscan dishes. And we joined in the local traditions, such as the Palio, a horse race held in Siena twice a year. Celebrating holidays in Tuscany was more than just a way to have fun. It was a way to connect with the community, to learn about the local culture, and to experience the region's rich traditions firsthand. These celebrations enriched our lives and gave us a deeper appreciation for the Tuscan way of life. Chapter 4: Tuscan Cuisine and Traditions. Participating in local events. Participating in local events is a fantastic way to immerse yourself in the culture and traditions of Tuscany. From lively festivals to traditional fairs and markets, there is always something happening in this vibrant region. Savours are a staple of Tuscan life. These food festivals celebrate the region's culinary heritage and offer a chance to sample a wide variety of local dishes. Each sagra is dedicated to a specific food or product, such as truffles, porcini mushrooms, or chestnuts. Visitors can indulge in delicious food, listen to live music, and enjoy the festive atmosphere. Fest Medievali are home to many medieval towns and villages that host annual festivals celebrating their history and traditions. These festivals typically feature parades, jousting tournaments, medieval markets, and traditional music and dance performances. Visitors can dress up in medieval costumes and experience a taste of what life was like in the Middle Ages. The Palio di Siena is one of the most famous events in Tuscany. This horse race takes place twice a year in the Piazza del Campo, Siena's main square. 10 horses and riders representing different districts of the city compete in a bareback race around the square. The Palio is a thrilling spectacle that attracts thousands of visitors each year. Mercati are a great place to experience the sights, sounds, and smells of Tuscany. From bustling outdoor markets in Florence to charming farmers' markets in small towns, there's a market for everyone. Visitors can find fresh produce, local specialties, handmade crafts, and antiques at these markets. Fairs and exhibitions throughout the year. Tuscany hosts a variety of fairs and exhibitions. These events showcase the region's agriculture, industry, and culture. Visitors can learn about local products, see the latest trends, and enjoy live entertainment at these events. Participating in local events is a wonderful way to connect with the people of Tuscany and experience the region's rich culture and traditions firsthand. Whether you're interested in food, history, or simply soaking up the local atmosphere, there's sure to be an event that appeals to you. This video was created from an ebook on sale at www.pagebook24.com using a self-developed program by Pasquale DeMarco. Download the ebook now.